I'm a revert and my friend is in Dubai. He wants me to do Kurbani on Bakrid on behalf of him. And he wants me to distribute the meat to my friends and my relatives and not to his relatives. Please advise me on what is the best way to do it. Jazakallah khair, Sheikh.
Wajazakum. It is permissible for you to slaughter the sacrifice on behalf of your friend, and if he authorized you to distribute it, then you have to distribute 1/3 of it to the poor Muslims only, and 1/2 of it or 1/3 of it you can consume for yourself, as he authorized you to do with it whatever he told you. If he did not authorize you to eat from it, then you can give it to the poor, and you can give some of it to your family members who are not Muslims as a gift. This is permissible, inshallah.